Take command of the road in the 2015 Honda CR-V. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, a tachometer, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.